Gateway is happy to be celebrating the 10th anniversary of Celebrate Earth Day, and what we have going on at our campuses is really a fun opportunity to learn and to get involved in the environment. Our event today began with a Pike Creek cleanup. Volunteers come and they go out and do the cleanup. We're very grateful to that, and people learn more about invasive species and how to identify that on their own.
We've got a group here called SOAR, which is an employee-centered group on activities, and frankly, this is a chance for us to give back to the community and celebrate Earth Day. This fits really well with our company, and we're happy to give a chance to kind of give back to the Kenosha area.
There are so many kids' activities that people can get involved in at Celebrate Earth Day. You can take some of those ideas, bring them home with you, and then also entertain your children and their friends.
Having kids involve themselves in activities like this, I think really shows their respect for their planet, which I think is very important for our human race.
Gateway is really grateful to the Mahone Middle School of Kenosha Unified School District. They have dozens of volunteers here today.
So this year we were focusing on pollinators and educate people about Earth Day.
We're just trying to help people plant things to help our environment. We're trying to teach people about different types of animals and pollination.
And they're learning how to interact with the public, they're learning how to teach other kids how to do fun things, and they're sharing their information about the environment that they have learned in all of these clubs. And that's really central to what Gateway is all about. We have the greenhouses, we have a plant sale, but the students are learning so much about the environment and organic growing, alternative growing methods, and they're sharing all of that information with our visitors today at the Pike Creek Horticulture Center.
Gateway is committed to protecting our environment through our sustainability efforts. We work hard to ensure that all our students are aware of their social responsibilities as well as their technical skills in the workforce. Today we celebrate Earth Day by bringing our community together to take a look at how we collectively can make a better environment for all of us.